guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. I'm Pragati. So guys, this video is so special, little bit different also because in today's video we are going to watch RRR trailer, and when I say RRR it means just wow. So we are going to watch this because we have waited since very long for this trailer, and finally we are going to watch this. And also in today's video we are going to do a collaboration video with Vinay. So let's call him. Hi Vinay, how are you?
Hi Pragati, I'm very good. Thank you so much for accepting my request and doing a video with me.
Thanks a lot to you too.
And from my channel side also, because I have been asked you from so long time, but because of Corona I got positive, so I am unable to do the videos.
Yeah, that's fine, but finally we are doing it. I'm so happy, like this is my first collab, so
Yeah, actually I have collaborated with some of YouTubers like Rakrewali Mona and Neha M. So I thought like, why can't I ask you? So I have asked you.
thanks a lot for that because I have seen your videos and that is really very amazing. So as you know, today we are going to watch the trailer of RRR.
Yeah, Rajmouli's.
The whole nation have heard about them because this is the just fire movie, upcoming movie. So we all are very excited.
Yeah, actually I am also very excited.
So without wasting much of time, let's get started.
స్కాట్ వారు మా ఆదిలాబాద్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఓ చిన్నపిల్లని తీసుకొచ్చారు. మీరు తీసుకొచ్చింది గోండ్ల పిల్లనండి.
అయితే వాళ్ళకి ఏమైనా రెండు కొమ్ములు ఉంటాయా?
ఒక కాపరు ఉంటాడు.
పులిని పట్టుకోవాలంటే వేటగాడు కావాలి. ఆ పని చేయగలిగేది ఒక్కడే సార్.
రామ్ చరణ్ సార్. వావ్. ఫ్రెండ్షిప్.
బాణం కన్నా విలువైన నీ సోపతి నా సొంతం అన్నా. గర్వంతో ఈ మనలో కలిసిపోతేనే.
నన్ను డైటిసి పోకన్నా అమ్మాయి ఆదికి వస్తుందన్నా.
బ్రిటిష్ ప్రభుత్వానికి ఎదురు తిరిగిన నేరానికి నేను అరెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. తొంగి తొంగి నక్కి నక్కి కాదే,
తొక్కుకుంటూ పోవాలి. ఎదురొచ్చినోడిని ఏసుకుంటూ పోవాలి.
చాలా ప్రమాదం, ప్రాణాలు పోతాయిరా. ఆనందంగా ఇచ్చేస్తాను బాబాయ్. యుద్ధాన్ని వెతుక్కుంటూ ఆయుధాలు వాటంతటవే వస్తాయి.
వావ్.
ఈ నక్కల వేట ఎంతసేపు? కుంభస్థలాన్ని బద్దల కొడదాం పదా.
Oh my God. 7th January.
7th January 2022. Wow. How was the video?
Oh my god, literally, I don't have words how to express. This was just blast. Oh my
Yeah.
god, I seriously got goosebumps. I mean, all emotion and everything was just in the video. Literally.
Actually, this film is based on real story. There is a freedom fighter called Alluri Sitaramaraju and Komaram Bhim,
Oh wow, that's amazing.
and in the real story, those two were not. I mean, those two people didn't meet.
Oh,
But in this film, they have changed it into friction, and they have mixed, like, if the two people met in those time, what will be happened? It's real story and it's a fiction.
okay, it's a mix of both, like real story, and they have add on something from there and something new.
The story is real.
The base
And
story,
the-
base story is
Nah,
real.
the base is like Allur Sitaram Raju, who has fought in Britishers like 1900s. Like he was dead in the age of like 21 or 25. At that age only he was dead.
Oh my god.
At the same age as Komaram Bhim also dead. That's the main concept of the film, and they made it.
I think this is going to be fire because literally while watching the trailer I got goosebumps. I was super excited, like every superstars in the video, in the movie, and before the video, like I was watching the launch trailer that was live on the YouTube, and literally I watched the whole, like around 1 hour, and
Yes.
I saw Junior NTR sir and Alia Bhatt, and their
Yeah.
people were interviewing, and I've seen Junior NTR sir was very kind, very humble, so I really like the nature of the as a person also. So that was.
And one
really-
more thing, for this film, in Telugu, Ram Charan sir and NTR sir, they used to dub because they know Telugu very well, right?
Yeah.
But in Hindi and Tamil also, those people only dubbed their versions.
Oh, that's great.
Both, like Tamil they have dubbed, Hindi they have dubbed. I don't know about Kannada and Malayalam. Remaining all languages they have dubbed. Telugu, Tamil and Hindi.
Wow, again, it's just a masterpiece. Like Bahubali set an expectation in the mind of the audience. So I think this is going to be again blast because trailer
yes.
is self speaking, like how the movie is going to be, because people are already super duper excited.
Yes.
So,
And one more thing, like I don't know about North Indian people, but in Andhra, when this film is going to be released on Jan 7th, all the theaters will be blasting like anything.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know about other states, especially Andhra and Telangana. These people really love it. I think Rajamouli sir is having all over the world. He's having the following.
Yes,
And this
yes,
film is having a great expectation, like in pan India. So I think it will be a huge success in North India also. That's
yes,
no
yes,
doubt.
100%, because I think this is the first movie for NTR sir also, like which is pan movie for NTR sir.
Yeah.
And
NTR sir.
Ram Charan sir has already done Janzir, I think. So I
Yeah,
think for
yeah, Ram
NTR
Charan.
sir, this is going to be the first pan India movie, and like
First
people
debut
are,
Hindi film, right?
yes, South India plus North Indian people are also going crazy because we all have seen the trailer, and it has everything, like it has friendship, it has emotions, it has like before independence story. So I think this is going to be just amazing, and hats off to Raja Moli sir. I think he has given us
Yes.
so many like just amazing movies. So
And
yeah.
one more thing, for this movie, what is the specialty is, in like we all open, like the morning show will be at 11 o'clock, means the theaters will be open at 11 o'clock. But today what happened in Andhra, I don't know about other states, in Andhra what happened is, the movies has been open at 9 o'clock only for the trailer.
Oh my god.
Only for the trailer from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Some theaters were opened in some places to play only the trailer for the fans.
Oh my god.
This is the
wow.
special thing.
This is the this is the thing how people show love to the stars, like how people show
Yes.
their emotion, their how much they are connected with their stars, with like their, because people have seen so many movies of NTR sir, Ram Charan
Yes,
sir, and
yes.
they have already gave us so many beautiful and action movies. So yeah,
Yes.
we all love them.
And one more thing, like before this film, there is a one more pan-Indian film is going to be released called Pushpa in
Yes,
on
yes,
December 17th. Allu Arjun sir's first pan-Indian film.
Yeah.
See,
So-
nowadays I don't know what happened. Like all South Indian films are being releasing in all the South Indian films are going to be released like pan Indian films, like
Yeah,
KGF 1, now
Yeah,
KGF 2, now
KGF,
Pushpa, RRR, previously Bahubali, Saho, and now Radhe Shyam. These all films are going to be released in pan India. That's a really very good sign and good for our South Indian industry and our South Indian people, because we feel very happy.
Yes, even we also feel very happy because we are going to watch every movies in the language in theater also, because
Yeah.
yeah.
Always you used to watch like dubbed versions
Yes,
in Sony.
yes, that we can also watch the movies on the same day, so that is really like good for us.
Yeah, good. And even Ajay Devgan sir also has acted in a very good and supporting role for this. It's a very important role, it seems.
Yes. Ajay Devgan sir and also Alia Bhatt. I think
Alia
we
Bhatt is the
also-
heroine of the film. Ram Charan's
Yes.
heroine.
Alia
Ram
Bhatt is
Charan's
playing
heroine.
Sita. Yeah.
Yeah, Ram Charan's heroine is Alia Bhatt.
Yeah.
And all the songs like Dosti song was good. And Natu Natu song was good.
That Natu Natu song, that was really famous, and because
Trend-setting,
people
yeah.
people are doing so many reels, and this song is just going crazy on the internet because everybody is just copying the hook step and they just want to show
Actually,
love
I thought to
their
react
star.
for that video. But I am unable to do that video. So I definitely want to react for trailer. And if it is a collaboration, it will be so good. That's why I have asked you for do the collaboration, and you have accepted. And thanks once again for accepting my request and doing a video in my channel.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So Vinay, I always wanted to speak in South Indian language. So can you please teach me few words?
If you are okay, let's try.
Yeah. I would love to.
Are you okay?
I would love to.
Okay, I can see in your face that you are excited. Okay, let's. Okay, then repeat after me. Okay.
Yeah.
Andarki namaskaram.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
మా వీడియో
మా వీడియో
కనుక
కనుక
మీకు
మీకు
నచ్చినట్టు
నచ్చినట్టు
అయితే
అయితే
మా ఛానల్ని
మా ఛానల్ని
లైక్ చేయండి,
లైక్ చేయండి,
షేర్ చేయండి,
షేర్ చేయండి,
సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.
సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఓ వావ్.
అలాగే
అలాగే
పక్కనున్న
పక్కనున్న
బెల్ ఐకాన్ని
బెల్ ఐకాన్
క్లిక్ చేయండి.
క్లిక్ చేయి.
అలాగే
అలాగే
మా కొలాబరేషన్ మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే
నీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే
కమెంట్ సెక్షన్లో
కమెంట్ సెక్షన్లో
కమెంట్ చేయండి.
కమెంట్ చేయండి.
And I hope that you all like our video reaction. If you like our video reaction, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye guys.
So guys, that was it. So if you like the video, if you like our collaboration, please let us know. Like if you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also comment down below like we should react on more or we should collaborate on more videos. So please let us know in the comment section. So alright guys, that's what is for today. We'll see you in the next video.